In a dramatic turn of events, the Canadian House of Commons witnessed a heated debate that culminated in the expulsion of Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre. The altercation began when Poilievre, known for his fiery rhetoric, referred to Prime Minister Justin Trudeau with unparliamentary language, calling him a wacko. This led to Speaker Greg Fergus taking the rare step of expelling Poilievre from the chamber. The incident escalated quickly when Poilievre refused multiple requests from the Speaker to retract his comments. Instead, Poilievre attempted to substitute the term wacko with radical, further defying the authority of the Speaker. This defiance prompted Speaker Fergus to take action, stating that such language and behavior were unacceptable in the House. In a show of unity and protest, all Conservative MPs followed their leader out of the Commons, leaving the chamber in an unprecedented move. The walkout signifies a deepening rift between the governing party and the opposition, highlighting the intense political climate in Ottawa. The Conservative Party has expressed its discontent with the Speaker's decision, arguing that it stifles free speech and debate within the House. Meanwhile, supporters of the government have praised the Speaker for upholding the decorum and rules of parliamentary conduct. This event marks a significant moment in Canadian politics, as it is uncommon for a party leader to be expelled from the House. The Conservative Party has announced that it will be reviewing its parliamentary strategies following this incident, while the Liberal Party has called for a return to respectful discourse. The political fallout from this episode is expected to resonate in the coming days, as both parties navigate the implications of such a public and contentious confrontation.